Have you ever felt that tug, that subtle whisper, suggesting there's more to this life than meets the eye? It's like waking up from a deep slumber, sensing a world beyond the ordinary, where our fears don't hold dominion, but instead, a realm of boundless potential and peace awaits, like a silent promise of something sure and more real than this physical world. Unity consciousness is a state of enlightenment where we pierce the mask of illusion which creates separation and fragmentation. Behind the appearance of separation is one unified field of wholeness, Deepak Chopra. It may be difficult to imagine, with us born into constraints of this physical world, but what would you think if you were told that there was a world where unity, love, and transcendence reign supreme? A world where limitations dissolve and consciousness expands boundlessly. This is the essence of 5D Earth. Various cultures have conceptualized the fifth dimension as a state akin to heaven on earth, or finding harmony and transcendence. In Hinduism, the concept of Sat Chit Ananda refers to absolute existence, raised consciousness, and unpolluted bliss, reflecting closely with the essence of 5D consciousness. Similarly, ancient Egyptian beliefs in the afterlife, especially the concept of the field of reeds, or Aru, speak of a blissful realm akin to the fifth dimension. Furthermore, Native American traditions often speak of the Rainbow Bridge, which is a symbol of the transition to higher consciousness, and a world filled with love and true unity. These ancient beliefs all speak of a universal yearning for a reality where peace and interconnectedness prevail. In this higher vibrational earth, the constraints of the third dimension, such as destructive thoughts or ego conflicts, are replaced by pure joy and boundless potential. This dimension resonates with pure love, where anything not aligned with this frequency simply cannot exist. It symbolizes a return to oneness, reminding us of our origins before physical existence on Earth. The concept of 5D Earth isn't just a theory. It's something that exists both in theoretical physics and the pages of ancient text. Alan Watts cryptically mused, "We do not come into this world, we come out of it, as leaves from a tree, as the ocean waves, the universe peoples." Every individual is an expression of the whole realm of nature, a unique action of the total universe. Understanding the boundlessness of the fifth dimension might be an impossibility with our limited computing power as humans, but there is some things we can discern. By observing the differences between the third and fourth dimensions, we can find windows of understanding into the profundity of the fifth dimensions. The third dimension is everything we know about our five senses. It is the place of tangible experience, governed by time and space. It's a world of challenges, raw emotions, suffering, and interactions. It is satisfying, it is addictive, and it is destructive. These things, ironically, are also crucial for the soul's evolution. Transitioning from 3D to the fourth dimension introduces a more fluid, dreamlike perception of reality. Here, thoughts have a direct impact on our experiences. In the fourth dimension, the boundaries between thought and the physical world blur, and you will begin to understand the immense power of consciousness. We become more conscious of the nature of energy and the structure of this world, and thus, our place within it. This fluidity will give you then the ability to explore the interconnectedness between our inner world of mind, glimpsed during sleep and altered states of consciousness, and our external reality. In this profound process, we begin to see that dimensions, in every sense and meaning of the word, are only different states of mind. The fifth dimension, although shrouded in mystery, represents a significant shift into a higher state of consciousness, defined by a sense of one becoming whole, filled with unity, peace, and unconditional love. Dualities of the physical world and the conflicts within it dissolve, making way for a harmonious existence beyond the limitations of time and physical space. Your task is not to seek for love, but to seek and find all the barriers within yourself that you have built against it. Rumi. Recognizing the signs of a shifting consciousness is like tuning into a subtle yet profound change happening within and around us. It's about tapping into the inner knowing, that feeling of alignment and expansion. Firstly, you may notice a softening in how you judge yourself and others. It's like a weight lifted off your shoulders, replaced by compassion and understanding. This shift in perspective is part of the process, where the fierceness of ego fades, making space for pure love to flourish. Then there is often this deep trust in the universe, knowing that everything is unfolding as it should. It's like dancing in harmony with a celestial rhythm that is manifesting effortlessly, and trusting in the unseen pathways that lead us along our journey. Energy becomes the language in this journey. You start seeing everything as vibrating energy and frequency, and you become adept at navigating these energetic currents. Synchronicities become quicker, almost magical, reflecting your heightened awareness of what is unfolding around you, becoming aligned with the flow of life. This shift isn't just internal, it's reflected in your external choices too. Dreams may also take on a vividness and clarity, carrying messages from your higher self and guiding your intuitive journey. You may feel more attuned to the whispers of your soul, embracing your innate intuition and abilities. This is the beauty of conscious evolution. It is a journey of awakening, expansion, and divine alignment. And it is one of the few things we can direct and, in a sense, have more control over. The cave you fear to enter holds the treasure you seek. Joseph Campbell. In the quest for conscious evolution, you hold more power than you may know, but speeding up your journey of ascending requires deliberate action and a conscious shift in mindset. To start, it's best to focus on 4 fundamental principles, starting with trust. Fully embrace the belief that your needs are and will be continually met by the universe. This trust will bring a sense of security and alignment with the flow of life. Secondly, recognize that thoughts, emotions, and actions are manifestations of energy, shaping your reality and life. Reconnect with nature to tap into its grounding and healing energies. This will cultivate a relationship with your inner wisdom through practices like meditation, introspection, and mindfulness. And lastly, begin to release the physical, mental, and emotional toxins that will hinder your ascension journey. Strive for a lifestyle of lightness, focusing on nourishing your body, mind, and spirit with balance and the light of health. Imagine in your mind a literal shift in your focus from scarcity and doubt to abundance and trust. This fundamental change opens the door to new possibilities and experiences, giving you the courage to navigate challenges with resilience and clarity. It's evident that our existence in this physical dimension is but a stepping stone in the grand scale of the mysterious creation we call life. The few things we can discern with absolute clarity are that we are meant to rise above the limitations that are imposed upon us in this current form of existence we live within. The ability for us to ask and answer these profound questions is the first sign that we are meant to seek and explore these distant lands of consciousness. And one day, we will arrive on the shores of a new world, eager and equipped to explore, for we are all meant to soar. See you soon, curious soul.